Next we are discussing, draw the graph of y equal to ln modulus of x plus 2. So this graph we have to draw. Okay, so how to draw? So for this one we will use transformation of graph. Okay, so we know y equal to ln x graph. We know y equal to ln x graph. So y equal to ln x graph will come this one. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So this will come y equal to ln x graph. This point, if you see, this point is what, 1 comma 0. Okay, so we want this function graph. So what we have to do? So here in ln x, first what we have to do, x replace with x plus 2. Then what will come? Y equal to what will come? ln of x plus 2. This will come. Okay, so x replaces the x plus 2. Then what you will do? This graph we have to shift 2 unit in which side? In left hand side. So this point is 1 comma 0. So it will reach at what? Minus 2 unit this side. It will reach at minus 1 comma 0. And this is what? 0. So 0, x equal to 0 will come at x equal to minus 2. So what will come this one? This is x-axis. This is y-axis. We will draw a line at x equal to minus 2. So here what will come? This point will come what here? Minus 1 comma 0. So this graph will pass through like this point. So this is the graph of y equal to ln of in bracket x plus 2. This graph we will get. You can see here, if I put here minus 1, so what will come? ln minus 1 plus 2 is what? 1. So ln 1 is 0. That means this graph will pass through minus 1 comma 0. So here will come. Now we got this graph, but we want this graph. So in this graph what you will do, instead of x we will replace with modulus x. So instead of x, if I put modulus x, what will come here? Y equal to what will come? ln of in bracket modulus of x plus 2. This will come. So in this function, if I replace x with modulus x, then we will get this function. So in graph what you will do? So we know whenever we are replacing x with modulus x, then what you will do? We will remove left hand side of y-axis graph. So this graph we will remove. Okay, so this point, if you see, this point is what will come here. If I put 0, so what will come here? 0 comma ln 2. So left hand side of this graph we will remove. So what will come here? This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, so this graph will come like that. So this point and this graph will come like that. So this point is what? 0 comma ln 2. So we have removed what? Left hand side graph. Then what you will take? Then we will take mirror image of right hand side graph with respect to y-axis. So if I take mirror image of this one, so what will come here? This one will come. So this is the graph of y equal to ln of modulus of x plus 2. So by using transformation of graph, we can find out this function graph. Next we are discussing, draw the graph of modulus y equal to e power modulus x plus 2. So this function graph we have to draw. So for that also we know the graph of y equal to e power x. So y equal to e power x is what? This one. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So this will come. And this point will come at 0 comma 1. Now here, first what you will do, instead of x, we will replace with what? X plus 2. So what will come here? Y equal to e power x plus 2. Okay, so here we are replacing x with x plus 2. So in graph what you will do, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, so here we are drawing a line x equal to minus 2. So this graph we have to shift 2 unit left hand side. So what will come here? This graph will come. So this point will come what? Minus 2 comma 1. If you put here minus 2 here, so e power minus 2 plus 2 is what? E power 0. So what come? 1. E power 0 is what? 1. So this point will come minus 2 comma 1. So you can see this point is 0 comma 1. So same point, it is shifted at point minus 2 comma 1. So this is graph is shifting right hand, so left hand side 2 unit. So we'll get this graph. So x replaces the x plus 2, then this graph we have to shift left hand side. Now here if it's x equal to 0, so this point will come what? 0 comma e square. Next what you will do? Next x replaces x plus 2, we got this one. Now what you will do? V power e power modulus x plus 2. So instead of x, what you will learn? Modulus x. So what you will do? X replace with modulus of x. Then what will come here? Y equal to e power modulus of x plus 2. So from here, in this one, we have to replace x with modulus x, then we will get this one. So in graph, what you will do? So in this graph, what you will do? We will remove left hand side of y-axis graph. Okay. So what we will do? This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay. And this is what 0 comma e square. So this point is what 0 comma e square. So right hand side graph will come as it is. Left hand side graph we will remove. So this graph we have to remove, and we will take mirror image of this graph with respect to y-axis. So this side will come like that. Okay, so we got y equal to e power modulus x plus 2, but we want this function graph. So here this one and this one. So from here to here, how to get? Here is what modulus y and here is what y. So in this function, what you will replace? Y with modulus y. So what you will do here? Here y replace with modulus of y. Then we will get what? Modulus y equal to e power modulus of x plus 2. Okay. So in this graph, from this function to this function, how to get? Y replace with modulus y. So in graph, what you will do? Only simple thing you will do. See, above x-axis graph will be as it is. So this graph will be as it is. 0 comma e square. Below x-axis graph we have to remove. So you can see there is no graph below x-axis. Then after that, what we will do? We will take above graph mirror image with respect to x-axis. So this graph we will take mirror image. This graph will take mirror image with respect to x-axis. So how it will come? This one will come. And this point is 0 comma e square. This point will come at 0 comma minus e square. So this is the graph of modulus y equal to e power modulus x plus 2. So like that we have to draw the graph of different function.